Tired of Peachtree's limited reporting and yearning for the flexibility of Excel? In this video, we'll show you how to extract the specific data you need from Peachtree and import it into Excel in under 90 seconds. First, open the Peachtree company file containing the information you want to export. For this example, we are extracting the customer list. Go to the File menu in Peachtree and select Export. This opens a new window. Now choose the type of data you want to export. We will export the customer list by selecting the Customers, Prospects option. A new window will come up. In this window, select No Filter to export the entire customer. Hit OK when done. Select Send to Excel. This ensures that all customer information is compatible with Microsoft Excel. Excel is now populated with your Peachtree data. Here you can format, sort, create charts, and perform complex analysis. Now you can create customizable reports tailored to your business needs. So go ahead, unlock the power of your Peachtree data with Excel. Make sure to subscribe for more time-saving tips.